How can I make TikTok video with pictures? So you can absolutely make TikTok video using pictures, right? By creating a slideshow. Now you can choose a template by tapping the plus icon from the bottom, going to templates option. Here you can just choose a different template that you like, right? As to what kind of slideshow that you want. So let's say I want this type of slideshow or whatever else it is. I can select try this template, and I can select couple of photos as much as they have allowed it over here, right? So I can go ahead and select as much photos as I want to in this case. Once I've done that, I can hit the next option. It will automatically create a video for me based on the photos I've chosen and the template that I've chosen. So just like the template, I have created a video right there. Now if you don't want in the template format, you just want a simple slideshow and nothing else, you can also do that by simply coming back to the post tab, just tapping the photos icon instead and randomly selecting the photos that you want, then tap the next option and it will show up in a sliding format just like this. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically make TikTok video with pictures. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.